A successful human life can't be evaluated based on any one aspect of life alone. To be blessed with complete Lakshmi Kataksham, chant the 108 namas of Sri Lakshmi with the understanding of the meaning and significance of each nama. Over 50 years of knowledge and research of various scriptures, the Vedas and the Upanishads by Swami has given us these treasures as anecdotes for each nama of Sri Lakshmi Ashtottara Shatanama. Continue to chant, watch, and share these treasures for the overall well-being and success in our lives.
Dear devotees, the 36th name, Deepta, is of very important significance, especially for me. When I was in Delhi, in the last 3 years of my service, the Vishnu Sahasranama Sabha there wanted me to author a book for them. I suggested they publish Lakshmi Ashtottara Shatanama Nirukti Stotra of mine with its meaning in English. I thought that I will give the original to them. Someone of them will pen the English translation. But they wanted me to write the English also. I was so busy, I could finish only 36 names during the period they gave me for 108 names. I suggested that they publish a book for 36 names as first volume and then go for the second and third one, 36 names each. That way, Deepta was the last name in the first volume of Lakshmi Ashtottara Nirukti Stotra, published by our dear friends of Vishnu Sahasranama Sabha, New Delhi, in the year 2006. Dear devotees, the 36th name that was the first 1/3 part of Lakshmi Ashtottara Shatanama Stotra. But it is on a different tone, I will say. It says Lakshmi is like a flashing fire. Lakshmi is like moon is all right. Lakshmi is like nectar is all right. Lakshmi is like burning fire is something which looks odd because she is always known for her compassion, mercy, and forbearance, tolerance, etc. But unless you have the potential to punish the one who deserves punishment, there is no value for all these qualities. Lakshmi normally is Ajnata Nigraha, does not know punishment at all, but at times she will ensure that the culprit gets the right punishment. That is light in this 36th name. This starts with Lakshmi being the embodiment of Vedas. Lakshmi in the form of sound is Vedas. And Vedas themselves took an incarnation in Bhuloka and became Vedavati with Lakshmi residing in them. She was the baby of Kushadwaja, son of Brihaspati, and Kushadwaja got the announcement that Lakshmi would be born to him as the embodiment of the three Vedas, the poetic Veda Rigveda, the prose Veda Yajurveda, the musical Veda Samaveda. Sahishri Ramata Satam. These three types of Vedas are called the real embodiment of Lakshmi. That is why the first Lakshmi Ashtottara Shatanama Nirukti Stotra with English translation of mine had to be in 3 parts. Now only I understood the divine command. Now, this 36th name goes to tell us that this Vedavati became Deepta to punish Ravana. The story is a bit interesting and also long. You can go through the whole story in my book. which is easily available to you. So if you chant this name Deepta, you will certainly get the right spirit in you so that you don't offend. And you only have the blessings of the compassionate goddess blessing, Lakshmi. So let us chant Deepta Irma. Further details kindly have from the book. Wish you best of luck. Happy Sankranti. Happy Makar Sankranti. And this Sankranti should transform you from a normal soul to achieving soul. Let us pray for that. Deepta Namaha.